So I'm actually missing my tripod pretty badly, but then I can take some handheld shots, which I think will do as of now. So this is my recent purchase. This is a G2 RX 100 cylinder. So I was just passing through Cochin, and on the way I saw a small shop which had a lot of motorcycle parts. So I just went there out of curiosity and was looking around, and then I saw the cylinder lying in a corner. So I just asked him how much it is. So he asked about $1,200 for it. I gave him 1,000. So if you can see inside, it is pretty rusted. Okay, so there is a lot of surface rust on the bore. So what I'll do is I'll just take apart the entire thing. I'll remove the head, and then probably we'll see how the condition of the cylinder is. I just measured the inner diameter using a vernier caliper, and the reading was about 50.2. so that would mean the first oversize. So we just need to see if we lucked out. If it is 50.2, then we can easily put a first oversize piston in it, brand new ones. So this will go into the RX 100, which is there, which is going into restoration maybe after this one is complete. So yeah, so let's just take it apart and see how this cylinder is. Looks like we lucked out on this one, though there is some rust. I think it can be machined out a bit, and this is the size of the cylinder as of now. So this is a Chinese vernier caliper, so I don't trust this much, but I have to get an old piston from somewhere and then check. So as you can see, there is only one layer of the sleeve. There is no two layers. So I think for $1,000 this is a great buy. There is some rust and pitting, so what I'll do is I'll apply some grease on this from here, and then immediately put it in storage. So the head is also pretty good. So we'll see what we can do about this.